Add. Verb. Verb forms. Present simple. I, you, we, they add. He, she, it adds. Past simple. Added. Past participle. Added. ing form. Adding. 1. Transitive. To put something together with something else so as to increase the size, number, amount, etc. Examples. Add something next. Add the flour. The juice contains no added sugar. As an added bonus, the book includes many black and white photographs. Melt the butter, then add the onion. The plan has the added, extra, advantage of bringing employment to rural areas. Add something to something. Shall I add your name to the list? They are looking at ways to add further value to their products. There are a number of ways to add emphasis to words on a web page. A new wing was added to the building. Chlorine is added to the water to kill bacteria. 2. Intransitive. Transitive, to put numbers or amounts together to get a total. Examples. He knew how to add and subtract. Add A to B. Add 9 to the total. Add A and B together. Example. If you add all these amounts together you get a huge figure. Opposite. Subtract. 3. Transitive, to say something more, to make a further remark. Example. Speech. And don't be late, she added. Add something to something. Example. I have nothing to add to my earlier statement. Add something. Example. Do you have anything to add? Add that. Example. He added that they would return a week later. The hotel is child-friendly, she said, adding that special rates apply to children. 4. Transitive. Add something, to give a particular quality to an event, a situation, etc. Examples. The suite will add a touch of class to your bedroom. The Easter festival added a new dimension to Salzburg's musical life. Word origin. Late Middle English. From Latin adire, from add, to, plus the base of dare, put. Idioms. Added to this, add to this. Used to introduce another fact that helps to emphasize a point you have already made. Example. Add to this the excellent service and you can see why it's the most popular hotel on the island. Add insult to injury. To make a bad relationship with somebody worse by offending them even more. Examples. Then. To add insult to injury, they told me I couldn't get on the flight. It adds insult to injury that banks are allowed to increase their charges without our knowledge or consent. Only 300 people came to the match, and to add insult to injury, the floodlights went out during the second half. Phrasal verbs. Add something in. To include something with something else. Example. Remember to add in the cost of drinks. Add something on, to something. To include or attach something extra. Example. A service charge of 15% was added onto the bill. Related noun. Add on. Add to something. To increase something in size, number, amount, etc. Examples. The bad weather only added to our difficulties. The findings add greatly to our understanding of this period. To add significantly, considerably to something. Example. The house has been added to, new rooms, etc. have been built onto it, from time to time. Add up. Informal. 1. Especially in negative sentences. To seem reasonable. To make sense. Example. His story just doesn't add up. 2. Especially in negative sentences. Of numbers, to make a total that seems reasonable or is useful. Example. We can't sponsor this project. The figures simply don't add up. 3. To increase by small amounts until there is a large total. Example. When you're feeding a family of 6, the bills soon add up. Add up, add something up. To calculate the total of 2 or more numbers or amounts. Examples. The waiter can't add up. Add up all the money I owe you. Add up to something. 1. To make a total. Amount of something. Example. The numbers add up to exactly 100. 2. To lead to a particular result. To show something. Synonym. Amount to something. Example. These clues don't really add up to very much, give us very little information.